Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making another DIY lantern making. So let's go ahead and let's get started. This was a highly requested video by my friends and family. To carve the design, I am drawing a star shape, but you can draw any shape of your choice. I am gonna go with 3 stars, but you can draw as much as you want. Now with a sharp cutting knife, start carving the design that we made. You can find this sharp cutting knife easily on Amazon. So your diya holder should look something like this, and I'm gonna show you in the dark as well. It looks very beautiful. So here I have drawn a diya and carved it with a sharp cutting knife, but you can draw any shape basically, and I'm gonna go with the same method as I went for the last one. Wow, these both look very beautiful, and you can put a diya inside or anything else that you want to. Now it's time to start the second lantern, and for this I have taken a quadrilateral shape, and you need 3 types of shapes like these. Then you also need some masking tape. Start using the method that I have shown you in the video. Now I'm gonna use some waste cloth to cover the curved part of the lantern. You can use gelatin paper or butter paper. but it should be very thin so the light passes through. I am covering it using glue gun. So now all three parts are covered and now it's time to assemble the lantern. You can keep it simple or draw and stick laces just like I have done. This one turned out so beautiful. I love it so much. Make sure you try it at your house. Like my video, subscribe to my channel for more artistic videos like this one. See you in my next video. Stay tuned and stay safe. Bye. Thanks for watching.